In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically delete emails from a specific sender in Gmail with a filter. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple automation that quietly sends unwanted messages from a particular sender straight to trash, saving you time and keeping your inbox tidy. Start in your Gmail inbox and find an email from the sender you no longer want to see. Click the small checkbox next to that message. This selection tells Gmail, use this message as the example for my filter. With the email selected, look toward the top toolbar and click the More icon, the three vertical dots. From that menu, choose filter messages like these. This opens the filter setup window and pre-fills the from field with the sender's address so you don't have to type it manually. You can keep that as is or refine it. If the sender uses different variations of an address, you can edit the from field to capture the version you receive most often. You can also add extra conditions in the has the words box to narrow things down, such as specific phrases that appear in those emails. Be as specific as you need, but avoid overly broad keywords that could catch legitimate messages. Quotation marks around a phrase can help target exact wording. Once your criteria look right, click Create Filter at the bottom of the search window. This takes you to the action screen where you tell Gmail what to do with any email that matches. To automatically trash those messages, check Delete It. This doesn't immediately erase them forever. They'll move to trash and be permanently removed after 30 days, giving you a window to recover something if needed. If you want Gmail to clean up existing messages that already match your criteria, check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. That one option can instantly clear a lot of clutter, so consider it if you're ready for a quick cleanup. When you're satisfied, click Create Filter to save. From now on, new incoming messages that match your filter will skip the inbox and go straight to trash without you lifting a finger. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever need to review or change this filter, open Settings, go to See All Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. You can edit or delete the filter at any time. And if something gets deleted by mistake, check the trash folder within 30 days to restore it. That's it, your Gmail is now set to quietly filter and delete those unwanted emails automatically.